Hi, my name is Anna. I was 20 when I met John, a kind and simple man. We fell in love and shared our dreams with each other every day, but one day we had a big argument. Just a misunderstanding. After that, we stopped seeing each other. I waited for him, but he never came back. A few weeks later, I found out I was pregnant. I was scared and confused, so I wrote to John, hoping he'd help me. But he didn't respond. He ignored me completely. Time passed, and I gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. Unfortunately, she was born with a serious illness. Her treatments were expensive, and I didn't have a job. I struggled to pay for her medicine, and I cried every night. My parents helped as much as they could, but it still wasn't enough. I reached out to John again, asking for his help. I wasn't angry. I just needed him to care for his daughter. At first he refused, but after a long time, he agreed to send $100 a month for child support. Unfortunately, this amount didn't come close to covering her medical bills. Years later, I saw John's picture online. He had become a famous millionaire, living a life of luxury. He was married with 2 kids and shared his wealth online, showing off his expensive car, house, and vacations. I couldn't understand why he couldn't help our sick daughter while he was living in such luxury. I tried reaching out to him again, but this time he blocked me. I felt hopeless. I couldn't stay silent anymore, so I shared our story with the public. I told everyone how John only paid $100 a month for our daughter, while she desperately needed more help. The story spread quickly. People were shocked. How could a millionaire ignore his own child? Some people criticized me, asking why I was speaking out now, especially because John was rich. They accused me of trying to ruin his family. Those words hurt deeply, but I wasn't trying to destroy anyone's life. I just wanted help for my daughter. In the end, nothing changed. I stopped fighting and focused on Emily. 2 years passed, and I decided to focus on my life. I found a wonderful man, Mark, who loved me and accepted Emily as his own. We got married and built a happy family. Then out of nowhere, John contacted me. He wanted to meet his daughter. I was shocked but agreed, and my husband supported me. We met at a park, and John was there with toys and gifts for Emily. He hugged her tightly, tears in his eyes. He told me, "I'm sorry, I was wrong. I want to make things right." He gave me a car, the keys to a house, and promised to pay for all of Emily's medical bills. He even said he would change her last name to his, because she was his daughter and he would always be there for her. I couldn't believe it, but John had truly changed. He started visiting Emily regularly, keeping his promises and supporting her in every way. Her health improved, and our family was happy. As the years went by, John became a better person. One day he told me, "I missed so many years of her life and I regret it every day, but I'll do everything I can to make it right." I could see he meant it. He showed his love not just with money but with his time and care. One day his wife came to visit me. She thanked me for giving John a second chance, saying Emily had changed him for the better. We became friends, and she treated Emily with love and kindness. Life wasn't perfect, but it was full of love, forgiveness, and hope. Looking back, I realized that everything happens for a reason. Pain can turn into strength, and mistakes can lead to better choices. If you enjoyed the story, please like, subscribe, and share.